creatives! So this week I'm going to show you guys how to make a passport holder. So welcome to 5-Minute Fat Quarters. This is the series where I teach you some fun and fabulous fat quarter makes in 5 minutes or less. So without further ado, let's get on with this week's fat quarter make. So for this passport cover, you will need 1 fat quarter. You can use 2 different colours if you want the inside and the outside to be different. In that occasion, you will need 2 fat quarters. You'll also need some scissors. You'll need a ruler. You'll need some chalk or something to mark with, clips or pins, some thread. I chose the opposite colour so it would stand out, and a passport for size measurements. So firstly, lay your passport down flat onto your fat quarter and measure roughly 2 inches either side. This is how big you're going to need your piece of material to be. So once you've done this, cut this rectangle out of either 2 rectangles of the same colour or 1 rectangle of each colour. We're then going to lay the rectangles one on top of the other, with the right side of the material facing inwards, so it's right side to right side. You're then going to clip all the way around or pin it, and we're going to sew all the way around the whole rectangle, just leaving a small gap at the edge so that we can turn it the right way around. Then turn it the right way around and push out all the corners. So then the gap that we left to turn it the right way around, just fold down the edges and pop a clip on it to keep it into place. Then put your passport down open onto your rectangle of material, and we're going to fold over those edges until they are even. So it's an even amount, roughly around 2 inches, folded over on either side. So where your passport is face down, this is going to be the middle of the passport holder. So whatever colour you want to be in the middle, so in this case mine is the yellow, make sure that your passport is on top of there. Then just clip or pin the edges to keep it all secure while we sew it. Then we're going to do a straight stitch across all 4 sides to keep everything all into place. Try and keep it as close to the edges as you can, just to make sure we are closing that gap that we left earlier on. Just a reminder, if you want to keep it as one long stitch, which is really great because then you don't have any kind of gaps or anything, when you get to one end of an edge, keep your needle into your material, lift your foot up, spin your material around, and just pop your foot back down and carry on sewing. And that way you'll be able to do it all in one full stitch without stopping between sides. And ta-da! We are finished. This was a really easy make, actually, really easy. So you could personalize this by adding maybe an iron-on transfer to the front or badges or anything like that, just to jazz it up and maybe put some initials or something. But I think this comes out really well, and it's a really cute little gift. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment down below if you tried this or any of my other fat quarter makes. Don't forget to show me some love and hit that thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe for more DIY, fun and creative crafty content. And hit that notification bell and you will be notified every time I upload a video. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep creative. Bye.